What's up everyone? I just wanted to make a quick video today. I had a few people asking me some questions about the Amazon influencer program, and I just want to clarify a few things on that. So the Amazon influencer program is different than the Amazon affiliate program, although they do work together. So the Amazon affiliate program, so basically what that is you're able to get links from products and basically share those links, and you get commission off of those links whenever someone clicks on it and they purchase something, or they purchase that product. So the difference between that and the Amazon influencer program is that the Amazon influencer program basically allows you to have your own storefront, and you can post videos on there. You can post like lists, kind of like on YouTube how they have playlists, but for Amazon you have lists. So you can add products to those lists, make lists according to different things, different categories, things like that. And so basically once you get into the Amazon influencer program, you get a storefront, and apart from that, this is where everyone starts to make the money or the commission, right? Is through these shoppable videos. So what these videos are, these are videos that you basically make a short 30-second to 2 to 3 minute video, basically showing the product, showing how it works. When someone clicks on your video or watches your video and they purchase that product, you get commission for that. And the best thing about that is that you don't have to worry about bringing traffic to your video or to the link. Amazon is already bringing those people in. If people are already shopping for that product and they click on your video and they see how it works, what it's used for, what problem that solved for you, they're already wanting to buy it. And when they watch your video, it basically just confirms to them, that they want that. That's what those videos are for. You're not there to convince them to buy it. You're just there to basically just show the product, how it works. Like I mentioned, they're already planning to buy that product, and that's why they're there on that product page. What your video is doing is just showing the product. So those are the two differences, right? Now, as far as them working together, you can basically go on Amazon and get a link for whatever product you want, right? And then you can share that. And those are all going back to the same earnings, basically, to the same Amazon affiliate page, right? That's where you're going to see all your earnings, all the clicks that you had, however many products that were shipped, and all that data that you find on there. So they do work together, but they are different. The way you get into this Amazon influencer program is you go to Amazon, right? And you apply for it. Basically what they're looking for is they're just looking for your account, because you have to apply with a social media account. And basically what they're looking for is for your account to be active, to have some activity. So not necessarily have followers, but more, that your account is active, you're posting on there, things like that. I don't have the exact, data that they're looking for, but it's similar, something like that, right? Where they're gonna be looking at your account. So the first time I applied, I got rejected so many times. Then I applied and I got accepted. I'll get into what happened with me with that first account that I did, but basically my account got shut down. I basically had to reapply, and it took me months and months and months. And I thought it was because of my social media accounts, right, that they weren't being active, and I was posting and trying to do, make it more active. And then I found out that it was because you have to have a purchase with that account that you're applying with. And as soon as I made a purchase, after so many months, I finally got accepted again. And to just know that it was because of that, and I could have done that a long time ago, just blows my mind. right? But I'm here. I got accepted, so I'm excited for that, you know, to start over again. The first time I wasn't really too serious about it. I was just kind of excited, but at the same time, just, you know, kind of like whatever happens. But this time, you know, me and my wife are dedicated, and you know, we're excited about it. I'm going to be sharing more videos, making more videos on how many videos we have, how we started, what we did, how many sales we have, and all that stuff. I just ask for a favor if you can just like this video, so that way Facebook can just push it out to those people who are interested, those people who are wanting to join the Amazon influencer program but don't know much about it. You know, I just want to help them out. I just want to help as many people as I can out. Just explain to them what the difference is, things like that, and maybe they want to follow along with our journey as well to grow. I'm still learning, growing. I have so much more to learn. You know, I'm watching YouTube videos every day, and it's insane how many things that you need to learn for this. But I'm excited because I am building a business off of this. Even though I just started, it will take time, but we'll get there. We're gonna grow together and learn together.